Today I am going to show you how to make super crispy and spicy chili potato at home. So let's start. First switch on the stove and place a pan, add water and let it boil. Now cut the potatoes into finger chip shape and add them into the boiled water. Boil them on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Then reduce to medium flame and cook for another 5 minutes. Once the potatoes are half boiled, drain the water and spread them on a dry cloth to remove extra mixture. Now take 1 small cup of rice flour, toss them well so the flour coat evenly. Next take another bowl, add 1 cup corn flour, 1 cup maida, add salt to taste, add 1 spoon red chilli powder, mix well and add water little by little to make a smooth batter. Now dip the coated potatoes into this batter and fry them in hot oil until golden brown and crispy. Fry all the potatoes the same way. Take a pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil, add chopped garlic and ginger and onion. Fry for 5 seconds. Then add chopped capsicum and green chillies. Fry properly. Now add 1 spoon of red chilli sauce, half spoon of vinegar, half spoon of soya sauce, 1 spoon tomato sauce. Mix everything well. Add the fried potatoes into the sauce and toss nicely. Add salt to taste. In a small cup, mix 2 spoons of corn flour with little water to make a slurry. Add Add the slurry into the pan and mix well until the sauce becomes thick and coats the potatoes. Finally, garnish with spring onions. Your crispy and spicy chili potatoes is ready. Serve hot and enjoy with your family and friends. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.